Kapatid, musta? Tara, Bible study tayo. Ang sabi sa Psalms 56 verse 8 and 9, You keep track of all my sorrows, you have collected all my tears in your bottle, you have recorded each one in your book. My enemies will retreat when I call to you for help. This I know, God is on my side. Kapatid, huwag mong paiyakin ang iyong kapwa sapagkat binibilang ng Diyos ang bawat luha ng mga taong iyong nasasaktan. Humingi ka ng tawad at makipagkasundo. Huwag mo nang hintaying magsumbong sila sa Diyos. Ang sabi sa Psalms 34:17-19, The Lord hears His people when they call to Him for help. He rescues them from all their troubles. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. He rescues those whose spirits are crushed. The righteous person faces many troubles, but the Lord comes to the rescue each time. Alisin mo na ang galit at kalupitan sa iyong puso. Magbubunga ito ng kapahamakan. Maging mapagpatawad, maunawain at mapagmahal katulad ng ating Panginoong Hesus. Yan lamang po, mag-iingat po kayo and God bless.